Hey friends, if you wish to disable Proxy on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab, click on LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Click on OK and then on OK once again, and this is how you will disable proxy. Now there's a second method through settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select proxy in the right pane. Automatically detect settings should be on and manual proxy setup should be disabled. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.